The toppest reviews the best stick vacuums under $300 on Amazon. Number 6. Atefa Cordless Stick Vacuum. Whether it's dirt and debris on hard floors or pet hair on carpets, this vacuum cleaner is ready for whatever messes you throw its way. It also comes with 5 layers of filtration, 2 foam filters, 1 washable, 1 HEPA filter, recyclable, 1 steel mesh filter, recyclable, and another HEPA filter, washable. The Atefa Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner has a whopping 27,000 power suction power, which means it can clean up anything and everything. And if that wasn't enough, this vacuum cleaner features a motorized LED floor head that swivels sideways and up and down effortlessly. It also has an impressive 45-minute runtime, which means you don't have to worry about running out of battery when the going gets tough.